So the rule number one of the public markets is assume they're rigged. Otherwise, you'll wake up every day mad at Elon Musk and mad at Goldman Sachs. And I've been there, Best Buy. I grew up. Anybody who enters the public markets, assume you're going to get mad. Because guess what? It's rigged. Elon Musk has broken every securities law that was written. So I don't know. Like, it still doesn't make me not want to invest. I just assume that I'm the sucker in the room if I own Tesla or anything that he's involved in, right? Because I feel it's more of a story versus a fundamentals. Doesn't mean I'm right or wrong. It's just certain things that I believe in, around certain companies. But it is definitely rigged. But because of how America is structured and the markets are structured, driven by profits, right? Until that changes, right? Like, if a company is going up with no profits, before meme coins, it couldn't persist. Eventually, you had to deliver on profits or the stock goes down, right? I can't tell you how that works in the crypto world yet, but in the public markets, the S&P 500, it's a momentum-based investing index, but it's driven by companies of size. And you can't be a big company forever without profits. And so it's a self-clearing kind of trend-following model, the S&P 500, based on market cap, that you can pull it off for a little while and get into the index, but you're not going to last in the index unless you have profits. Now, if that changes, all bets are off. That's public. Like, that's the risk. And that's why everybody's trying to keep as much into. That's why I worry about when someone wrecks the integrity of the markets, whether it's Elon Musk or Donald Trump or Joe Biden or Nancy Pelosi inside trading or being accused of it. Those type of integrity breaches are dangerous because this is an incredible luxury to be able to invest in companies for all the shenanigans and for all the things that are wrong with it. It's really an amazing freedom and things. So I get really upset around those things, but until I see that profits don't drive this, and by the way, we're at inning one where profits don't drive this, case in point, Huck2a coin and Fark coin and all these meme coins and Pump.fun and all these things. Like, they're dangerous, but they're happening in a secondary place and they're very contained to like $20 billion, call it $100 billion, right? NVIDIA is 4 trillion. So you can make fun of meme coins, but like, it's tiny, right? Like, it's just, if you added up all the loose change in everybody's cars that are lying on the floor, the hundreds of millions of cars that have $40 of loose quarters and pennies lying around that were printed by the government. You know what I'm saying? That's all crypto is. It's like a place for people to not leave their change in their car, right? And in this digital world, people have decided for $10 a piece or $1,000 a piece or $1 million a piece, this is where they're going to blow their brains out, and they're not bringing that money back.